it sounds like this. Rest up my eye. What's going on, y'all? I just wanted to go through this beat real fast. I actually made this beat with Scalar 2. Um, I made this beat with Scalar 2 and mostly my drum kit that I have on my site right now, the producer starter kit. And the new one will be in the mix. I actually had a good time messing around with the first one. So I'm just gonna go through this beat sound by sound, letting you know how I started. And if you guys want to see the Scalar 2, how I use Scalar 2, it's actually, I use it pretty simple, but I also use it to learn chords as well. So that's one of the beauties about using Scalar 2. You have a lot of people saying, well, that's really not, you're not a music producer if you have to do this and you have to do that. But come on, y'all. Making music is art. No matter what paintbrush you use, if you make the art, you made the art. It's not about the paintbrush or the paint sometimes. Sometimes it's just about the ending product. So, and with that being said, make sure that you're not stealing somebody else's work and just remixing it and stuff like that. We all know how that goes. Sampling is cool, but taking total credit for somebody else's work is not cool. Let me put that out there because don't need that twisted up. But this is a synth from Omnisphere. All right. So, and I put a bass line in there, but for some reason, I'm having problems with Reactor 6. For some reason, it keeps telling me that the version of Reactor I used was a newer version than the one that's installed. If y'all know how to fix that, y'all let me know. It's a little aggravating. And this is actually another sound from Omnisphere. And it's just pretty much layered the same exact way, just to kind of give the chorus a little bit more depth, just to add a little bit more body. And here is a pad, and I don't know why I was in an Omnisphere mood, but all these three sounds are from Omnisphere, and that's it. I didn't go Omnisphere crazy this time. And I added in some roads, some roads. I added in some roads, and these are part of the Scarby, the Vintage Keys collection that's in Machine. And what I did was I actually played these notes, but I inverted the notes. So they sound just a little different. And I added in a piano. So with all those sounds together, it sounds like this. actually got this from Curtis King's one of his free drum kits. If you haven't checked out his drum kits, please check it out. You know, he has a lot of free drum kits and he has a lot of good paid drum kits as well. All right, let me break this down just a little bit so y'all can. Because this is a actually kind of so I don't know how well you can hear that. You may need some headphones if you're playing this through your phone. And I got that from the Cymatics kit. And I just pitched that differently, but I took a chop of that out of. Oh no, this wasn't the one that I chopped up. I chopped up one of them, but I actually didn't use that one. Didn't use that either. But those were just concept sounds. All right, now we get to my favorite, the drums. We'll start it off with the kick, and I'll just have the beat broken down. That way you can kind of hear how it sounds. But I'll mute the melody and the keyboards and stuff like that, so we can hear just the drums after we do everything. So I actually had a bass in there that I was gonna go back and forth with this 808, but this react for some reason reactor is acting weird, you know. So but I mean it worked out. And what I'll do is I'll play the mixed version at the end of this video. I'll do that. I'll edit that in. But so all together, it sounds like this. I know that's a quick video, but if you guys want to actually see me make these beats, let me know down in the comments. I've been doing some different things, trying to see how I really want to go about making these videos. But I did tell myself I'm going to make sure that I commit to making videos. So as long as I can get your guidance down in the comments, like, subscribe, we can make some better videos. I can get to helping you guys with certain topics that you need help with, and we'll make it happen. So make sure that you do like, you do subscribe, and leave comments in the video. And also, well, it says Mirage Kit, but these sounds that I use are, that's why you see it says dope and 808 Pierre. I started to use the Mirage Kit, but I started replacing these with my sounds because with Machine, they have great kits. Let me let me say that now. But I've gotten so used to using my kits, and they have a lot of effects on theirs and stuff like that. And I really don't like to use a lot of effects until I'm mixing. So sometimes I use their drums raw, but most of the time I don't use their drums processed. It depends on how it sounds. So make sure you check out the free version of that kit. It's it's a great starter kit if you don't have a lot of sounds. If you do have a lot of sounds and you just want to check it out, I got a couple construction kits in there, a couple loops, but it's mostly drums. All right, but peace out, y'all.